All right, we're gonna do a quick walk around video on this S-55 here. Just kind of going over it. Paint quality is immaculate, top's in great condition. Just a really nice, tidy Mercury. Take a look at the passenger side here. Door cards are all nice and tidy. Interior is all clean. Top's in great condition. I posted a top operation video. Go ahead and demonstrate. Going over the front here. Everything's nice and tidy. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. We'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. If you need a shipping quote, you can use the contact seller button. We'd be happy to assist you. And if you have a car that you are interested in 911R representing for you, you can go ahead and use the contact seller button and we can start a conversation. Good luck with the rest of the auction.